This video is part of this year's Roots Power of the Unseen theme, which celebrates the complex world beneath our feet and seeks to inspire a new appreciation for the unnoticed yet vital parts of our ecosystem.
Hi there, I'm Emily from Naples Botanical Garden, and welcome to The Garden Unseen. In this mini-series of investigative reporting, we document the unseen work that goes into running the garden, the roots of our labor. As a museum for plants, it's essential to keep detailed records of our specimens. So important, in fact, that there's an entire job dedicated to collection management here at the garden. So today, we're going undercover to do some very cautious observation of curator of records, Sandra Rigotti-Santos. Follow me, but quietly.
This is Sandra. She grew up on a farm, so being surrounded by plants and animals comes naturally. She is an agronomist and educator by trade, and she uses her sharp eye for details as the garden's curator of records.
Sandra has worked at the garden for 7 years, and she loves not only the beauty of her surroundings, but also the garden's resilience. It's her job to accession all newly acquired and donated plants into our collection so that we can keep careful track of these priceless specimens. Accessioning includes researching to confirm a plant's identity and conservation status, as well as making plant tags and visitor labels.
Each tag contains a barcode and accession dates that correspond to a database entry. Sandra must also note and update plant conditions, heights, locations, and flowering and fruiting status. This information is entered into a database along with GPS coordinates to map the plants.
When she isn't occupied by new plant arrivals, Sandra performs continuous checks of the garden to assess data and plant tag accuracy. Tags can be misplaced or displaced. Some get buried and some are broken. Other times, the scientific name of a plant is changed to reflect a new classification, so the tag has to be pulled and updated. For hard-to-find tags, Sandra uses her trusty metal detector.
It doesn't seem right. I'll come back tomorrow to fix it.
The unseen work of collection management is never done. It's vital to keep track of our collection because each plant has a story, and you never know when a plant's conservation status may change. Thanks for joining me on an undercover and detail-oriented adventure with Sandra. Remember, next time you're at the garden, take a moment to think about the how as you admire the wow. And keep watching for more of The Garden Unseen.